Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious peanut butter Hershey Kiss cookies. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line your baking sheets with parchment paper. While the oven heats, unwrap about 36 Hershey's Kisses so they are ready to go. This simple preparation ensures a smooth baking process for these delightful treats. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of softened butter and 1 full cup of creamy peanut butter for that rich flavor. Combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. Don't forget 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Finally, measure out 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter, peanut butter, and both sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the egg, milk, and vanilla extract until everything is well combined. Gradually add your dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing on low speed until just combined. Roll the dough into 1-inch balls, coat them in extra granulated sugar, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. The final step is the most fun. As soon as you remove the cookies from the oven, immediately press 1 unwrapped Hershey's Kiss into the center of each warm cookie. The warmth will slightly melt the chocolate, helping it adhere perfectly. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade peanut butter Hershey Kiss cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.